Morning, guys. Hope all is well. I'm gonna do just a video explaining like the analysis that I put in the chat. First one that I was looking at was actually AU. So I have actually just split my screen too. So obviously this is the 30-minute and this is the 5-minute. So if we just jump on to more this screen, I was looking and I did put in the chat any longs off here. And you can see we pretty much as you just melted straight through that. And I was like, okay, cool. Let's see if we can still push high because primarily you can see on the 12-hour we ran these lows. This was just another manipulation of this low, and we did actually test something in a 5-hit minute. I'll come back here. And ultimately we are looking, sorry, let me just go on the 12-hour. We are looking for price to push back up into here. Why is this nice? Because we do have an inversion here, and you can see we had a breaker structure here. So now I'm just looking for, we have that breaker structure, we have that low, lower low, just looking for that lower high to maybe come down and create a lower low, or if we break past it, look for pullbacks and continuation. Either or, doesn't matter. So going into this morning, obviously, well, going into last night, sorry, we pretty much died down from here. And like I said, there was like we just swept this low, and there was like a 5-minute. Let me just pull it up quick. Might have even been on a 1-minute, yeah. We be on here. Hang on, guys, one sec. Well, really, okay, fair enough. Can't even go back. Right, well, I'm telling you down here, there was like a 1-minute fair value gap, which price did actually come in and test. So we had a raid, and then after that on the hourly, we created a on the 30 minutes, sorry. On the 30-minute, we create this fair value gap. I said, okay, cool. I want to see if price is going to come back into this zone and maybe react from here. So this morning I was awake and I was actually looking for some longs in here. And I did think maybe we could have pushed a bit down and swept this low, but we didn't. We just continued. That's fine. There's no need to be kind of like rushing and trying to get in on anything. So what we do have is 30-minute, we have a super clean fair value gap. We also have a fair value gap up here, which was created in the London session. You can see 8 a.m. London, we kind of just pushed and we moved. So obviously this is quite a big, strong move, and where the price is actually going to come all the way back down here. I mean, we very much well could, and that doesn't mean to say that we can't. I do have two orders in on these at the moment. So I do have one, which is I can leave that on the 30-minute. Okay, so one which so now I'm on a 5-minute. So you can see we had a break structure. We do have this high. I thought we were going to take out this high, but we didn't. I'm also targeting this Asia high market open here. So we had a big run of all of this. That's fine. Breaker structure up here. So now you can see 8 a.m. London open. I do want to see if price could maybe give us just this sort of move. Not looking for a lot, but this is where volume kind of really like dumped into the market. And the first fair value gap created at the beginning of the session is always the higher chance one, just because that's where the liquidity is first kind of injected within the market. So a lot of volume within this. And I just think a pullback of this zone is a lot more likely to happen than this. I mean, equally, if we do, that's fine. But I am still looking at it. So this is like a 1 to 6. This is really, really clean. And then obviously, like on my 30-minute time frame, I do have this one lower just in case price wants to, oh, excuse me, just in case price does want to do something. Um, so yeah, let's keep an eye out on this and see what happens. But definitely expecting maybe something in the New York session. But let's wait and see. So this is your AUD USD looking really, really clean for today. Let me just sort this out. Oops. Cool. Let me just have my 5 minutes up there. That's that. That's that. Brilliant. So next pair is Ethereum. I did put in the chat. If we go to the high time frame one, 12 hour. Where's my 12-hour gone? There it is. Oh, God. 12 hour. We are pushing higher. Level 4,000 is looking really clean. I do just want to see continuation bullish moves from here. If we go into weekly, we do have this inverted fair value gap, which I do expect to get taken, but what maybe could happen is we do something like this, we pull back and then we continue, or we actually break 4,000, push above, then have a bit of a dump and then roll to the upside. So what I'm looking for now is, as you can see, we have a high, lower, low, lower, high. Sorry, over high, lower, high, 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 lower, high, higher, high. So now just looking for that lower high to then actually continue and take us to that 4,000. So I am running a short on this pair just because I do think we could just kind of like roll over. And that means then we could then take said liquidity to the top side. Where's my tool? No, that's the wrong one. Forecast. Um, where's my target? Okay, cool. So this is overall just my short sell to go into the longs. Now, I've had a bit not a ball ache on it. It has kind of like thought stumped me a bit, but not. So originally price was never here and we were here. And I said, okay, cool. I want to see if price is gonna come up, run into this, and then push down. That's a nice 1 to 3 for me. I did and do have my stops just literally above this high because realistically, price could have run like anywhere like into this overall kind of move. I was actually expecting price to run into this high. I should have maybe waited a bit more, but I was traveling, so I was just in the trade. So price kind of very then aggressively came all the way up, almost took me out. We died. I was thinking, okay, amazing. We then come back all the way up, going into London, or like end of London, and then kind of going into London. We are consolidating just below, which is fine. High time frame, we didn't actually close above this fair value gap, only very, very slightly, but not on the 30-minute one that I was looking for. We did come up, we pulled, we tested a small supply zone within here. So now what I'm really looking for, I am looking for the continuations lower. We do have a nice change of character here, not break structure though. And we have a 30-minute fair value gap within here, which price very much well could maybe run it one more time and then we have that kind of dump. Or unless we want to kind of, I hate drawing these, but I'm just going to draw just for the sake of this video. We could have some sort of channel going on here. So we have our impulse. This is our correction. And now for another impulse. So if any of you guys got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away. We have 2 weeks left of December, and then after going into like Christmas, it's probably going to be flat until New Year's. So just kind of keeping that in mind. Yeah, like I said, if any guys got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away, and I will help everyone as much as I can. Oh yeah, I was looking at UK 100 as well. That is just mooning. Expecting all of these highs to get taken, nothing really too much happening in here. Maybe could get in somewhere in here, but I'm not really going to hold my breath. I'm just going to sit on my hands on this. Was also really quick looking at Bitcoin. I'm not in this. I just had the cells set up. We had mitigated all through here, all through here, all through here. Now realistically, I do think like Ethereum, we could actually have like a bit of a short move before the big long. I feel like everyone's buying just to get up to the 100K. And I feel like we aren't actually going to hit that 100K as soon as everyone thinks. We came super, super close. But I actually don't think we will hit it for a little while. So potential roll on shorts, Bitcoin. That'll be interesting to see, but I'm not looking at that at the moment. Also was really quickly looking at UK oil. I'm not in this, thank God, because I literally just would have taken a loss. That's fine. Again, just gonna wait and see what happens with these. So yeah. But if you guys got any questions, please let me know. Feel free to fire away, and I will help everyone as quickly as I can. All right, guys. Bye bye.